rising, looking forward. This first shot is fairly easy. Simply point the drone at a point of interest and rise steadily off the ground to an altitude of 150 feet or so. Rising, looking down. For this next shot, rise the drone steadily off the ground to an altitude of 150 feet or so, while looking straight down the entire time. This provides a slow reveal of the landscape and is a good introduction for landscape videos. It is also great for revealing shadows and other details. The slow pan. For this shot, point the camera down slightly so that the horizon is in the top third of the frame. Slowly pan from left to right, slowly and steadily. Look down to up. For this shot, start looking straight down and slowly pan upwards. This can be a tricky shot because the exposure and white balance may try to change in the middle. To avoid this, you can lock exposure and white balance, but may end up with part of the video over or underexposed. Fly forward, fly low. For this shot, fly low and fly forward over the scene you wish to capture. You don't always need to fly high to get good footage. The grass passing under the drone below adds a sense of depth and speed to the shot. Fly forward, look down. For this shot, find a landscape with an interesting pattern, look down, and fly forward over it. This will reveal a large landscape and show patterns and interesting features. With this shot, as with many of the others, you should try to go as slowly and steadily as possible. Fly backwards while rising. You'll need both hands for this one. To start, find an interesting landscape and fly backwards over it. As you increase speed, use your other hand to also increase altitude. This will reveal the landscape. This is a good shot for ending a video with. Here are some general tips and suggestions for drone flight. Slow and steady. Record at all times during the flight. Use joystick extensions for better control, and add music to your videos to make them more fun to watch. As always, obey all laws and have fun.